Hello and welcome back to my channel and welcome to my makeup monthly for the month of February. It was an exciting month. I got some things that I really liked and really wanted, and I also emptied quite a few things, which is nice. But let's start with some of this stuff that I picked up. A couple of things from BoxyCharm. I did get the Glow Recipe Cloudberry Bright Essence Toner. First of all, the packaging is just adorable. And I did like it. I do like a pump toner like this. It's a little bit thicker than like a more watery toner. With toners, it takes a while for me to figure out whether or not I like them, but I enjoy using it. And I feel really like pretty when I use it. Also from BoxyCharm, I got the Ciate Vitamin Boost Setting Spray. I don't really have an opinion on this. I definitely don't hate it. It doesn't really stand out to me though. There are setting sprays in my collection that I feel like are real standouts, and I feel like this just isn't a standout, but it works. I like it. It's just not one of those items that really stands out to me personally. Also from BoxyCharm, I got a What's Up Beauty. It's the Setting Pressed Powder. And again, I liked it. I'm very picky with setting powders. This wasn't one of those that I hated. I wouldn't say it was a love either. But it does have a cute little butterfly embossment on that, which I think is just absolutely adorable. I love the simplicity of What's Up Beauty's packaging, but it's also kind of like cute as well. It's like simple, but like the gold stands out. I think it's super cute. Again, I don't really have any big opinions on this. I didn't hate it, and it wasn't exactly a standout, but you know, I'm happy that I got it. I also got a Hey Honey Pro Gel in my BoxyCharm. I haven't tried this yet just because it's not really something I feel like I need on a regular basis. I think it's this, so the back here it says this concentrated gel is made with bee propolis. So I don't really know what that is, but it's designed to use on acne, blemishes, mild burns, and other skin irritations. So if me or anyone in my family does have a skin irritation, I will try this, but I don't think it's something that I just need to try for the sake of I got it in a BoxyCharm. And I also got something from Drybar. It's like a frizz control spray, which I didn't try, but I'm sure I'll like it. I don't really have a frizzy hair problem. I think I used it like one time, so I don't really have an opinion on it either. And then there were 3 makeup items that I did pick up, all from Sephora. So I did pick up the Saie Beauty. It's the Star Glow filter. So many people talk about it, and I really do like it. Now the scent for me is very strong, but it's not a bad scent, but you can tell it's a strong scent. So that is a huge like no for me. But that being said, I really like this formula. It's taken me a while to try Saie Beauty. I've only tried it for the first time last month, and that was a dewy blush, and I fell in love with it. And then this I absolutely fell in love with again. I wore it underneath makeup quite a bit, and there were times where I mixed it in my foundation, and I have gotten compliments on my skin when I've had this on. I'm wearing it today with the Charlotte Tilbury Wonder foundation, and I love mixing it in. I love wearing it underneath foundation, mixing it in with foundation. It is gorgeous, and I did fall for the hype with this. I did pick up one of the new YSL Powder Blushes. I got mine in the shade Made Me Blush, and it's a good formula. It really does stay on all day. I think the color on me is not the greatest, and I actually found that I have to wear this when I'm wearing very neutral makeup and let the blush stand out, because if I'm wearing this with the same tone eyeshadow and lipstick, it doesn't look good on me. But when I'm wearing it, like today, I've got a more like bold, kind of like deeper and gold eyeshadow with a red lip, and I feel like the blush stands out. It looks really good. But when I wear it with, again, something that's of these same tones, it just doesn't work out. Also, I find that I like wearing this blush over highlighter and bronzer and not underneath it. So again, that's what I'm doing today, and I feel like it's very flattering. But I prefer, again, for me, I don't feel like it works underneath bronzer and highlighter, but I have to wear it like as a topper almost. But when I wear that, I really do like it, and the staying power on this is phenomenal. I think this is the first YSL product that I've tried. I've got so many things from them I want to try, I just haven't. and I saw that this was a new release, and I'm like, you know what, I'm gonna pick it up, I'm gonna get in with the hype. And would I say it's worth the hype? Possibly. I think I want to try another shade of this just to get my true opinions, maybe a shade that's more flattering for me. But I feel like when I first tried it, I didn't like it, but as I kept playing with it, it grew on me. And the last item I picked up has been something that's been on my loves list for a year. That is the Patrick Ta Major Dimension 2 palette. I am wearing it on my eyes today. I got both this palette and this blush in the same Sephora order just in time for Valentine's Day. So I got to wear this just for all of our fun festivities. And it's cute. I have heard things about these, like some of the shades in here. I don't know if it's just the cream shades or also the powder shades, but them molding. I've had my Major Dimensions 3 palette for a year now, and I haven't experienced that, but I will keep my eye out. Again, my skin tone, and I think it's more of a color thing, like these shades here aren't very flattering on me, but I feel like the deeper shades here are. So again, just a color thing, tone thing, a personal thing. Formula wise, it's phenomenal. The sparkles are gorgeous. It's a little bit more of a drier formula, but because of the drier formula, the sparkle does stand out. But I do feel like I have to apply the shimmers with my fingers. But that's not a big deal. I do it anyway, and the sparkle is phenomenal. So color story wise, again, not the most. I like to think these shades flatter me because they are like the colors I'm naturally drawn to, but they're just not. However, I will continue to play with this, love on this, enjoy every minute I get to use with it because I love the formula and I naturally like the colors. It's just my skin tone doesn't quite work. Anyway, on to some empties. I am proud of myself. I did have some empties this month. I did empty my Tarte Big Ego Mini Mascara. I don't even know if this is available anymore, but it was just okay. Not my style of mascara. I didn't really like it, so I kind of was glad to be done with it. I also finished my studio makeup. It's their hyaluronic acid serum. Again, a BoxyCharm find. I fell in love with this. I fell in love with the packaging. I do want to repurchase this. It is on my list to repurchase. So yes, loved it. Would totally repurchase. I also emptied and already bought a backup of the Drybar liquid glass. It's the smoothing sealant. I love it for days where I am wanting to blow dry my hair and I'm working with wet hair to dry it. So I did already buy a backup with this. I also bought a backup of their the one that you can use for dry hair, the heat protectant for dry hair. So that'll be my third sprayer of that. But yeah, I asked my husband, I told my husband, I'm like, I'm out, please, I need it. And immediately he's like, just get it, get what you want, it'll work good for your hair, you know you love it. So yeah, this is an absolute favorite. I also used up a First Aid Beauty Deep Cleanser face wash. Again, I liked it. I wouldn't repurchase it because I don't find the need to repurchase high-end face cleansers. Plus, I get them in BoxyCharm, so I've got plenty of face cleansers. I don't really need it. And then from Drunk Elephant, the Deep Moisture Deep Conditioner. Again, I liked it. Probably won't repurchase it because it wasn't a standout, and I get a lot of stuff like this in BoxyCharm, so I just kind of use that as my stash. Anyway, that is everything in my makeup for the month. Again, some things that I really liked, some things that were okay, and then quite a few empties this month, so I am proud of myself. Anyway, if you are new here, welcome to my channel. I do videos focusing on beauty and lifestyle, and my goal on this platform is to share my love for beauty, as well as my love for Jesus Christ as my Lord and Savior. If that's what you're into, hit that subscribe button, and if not, but you still want to stick around, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.